How to disable HDR video playback on Instagram on iPhone. In today's video, I will show you how to disable HDR video playback on Instagram using your iPhone. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Head over to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu button in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down to the section labeled Your App and Media. Then select Accessibility. Here, you will find an option to disable HDR video playback. Simply toggle this switch on and you're all set. From now on, Instagram won't play videos in HDR mode, giving you a smoother browsing experience. If you want to re-enable HDR, just follow these steps and toggle the switch off. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.